Hi, hope everybody's doing well. In this talk, I'm going to start talking a little bit more about, of course, understanding more about that market you choose, and how do you find information about that market, what's relevant information, and what matters as far as what you need to know to help you make a confident decision to expand into that location. So, there are a lot of resources available. I mentioned before, the CIA is a fantastic. CIA.org is a great resource, and there are a lot of other ones. But I think for our purposes, I really encourage you to focus on the World Bank's resource. And I think for a couple of reasons. One is it kind of keeps it all consistent. It's a ready go-to spot, and the information is of good quality. So on this slide, if you look at the slide on the country analysis format, those few slides there, you'll see in the second slide, the links. The World Bank has a really nice link on doing business in a country, and I put the link there. So you can go there and it'll put you right into an analysis of what it's like to do business in that country, how hard it is, what kind of contacts you have to make, what kind of contract you have to sign, all that sort of taxation, etc., is all there under that link. So you can go right in there and see. Start as far as figuring out how easy is it to do business here. There are other links. You can even type in Google ease of doing business, and you'll see tables that show ease of doing business in different countries. And I think we've covered in an earlier lecture. But this is one is going right up from the World Bank site. The second link is looking at finding a country profile for your country, and there I've showed you the steps there. You click on the World Bank thing, then you go in the top tabs of what we do. You drop down and see the data tab, and you'll see a thing open up where you type in the country you're looking at and click on that country. It'll hop in there, and then on the right side of the page there's a country profile, and you click on country profile, it'll call up a whole bunch of data on the country. So that data, not every bit of that's going to be useful for what you're looking at, but it depends on what you've what country you've chosen and the product, etc. You'll look at that and figure out what is how does benefit, challenge, lead to potential success or not. What I'm thinking of, they're the GDP per capita, age information, all sorts of things, and so you'll be able to see if I have a high-end luxury product, would it fit there, and other way around. So the thing here for this to do is just, this will be your source of information on your country. You can look at other things. I encourage you to, but at least these two things you'll be adding to your project. And so they're right there. It's easy to find it, and it's quite interesting. I'm sure you can find yourself looking at these things all day, because it is fascinating to see the different relative comparisons with the different countries. Anyway, that's what you'll do for that, and that'll fit in with when you look at the PowerPoint and the video lecture on the project itself. Okay? All right. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.